Hello everybody. Today we're going to pick a challenge lock. This one is pinned by Bobby Keyz, 8/20/17. It's a Sergeant. Keyz mummied. There's the nice sweet Sergeant lock. Let's throw it in the vise and see if we can't get into it today. This will be the first attempt. Zoom. There we go. Alright. I'm gonna use the gem. Here we go. Gonna click from 4. I'm gonna try my SS Dev on the steep hooks. I can reach from the bottom of this keyway. A little bit of a false set. Feels like counter from 3. Got a little turn on the core from him. Try to go for 1 here. Lost all my feedback. Got a nice deep false set from 5. Even more of a false set from 1. And we're open. Open on 4. Nice. Wow. All the false sets, man. I didn't think I'd get into that guy. Awesome. Nice job, Bobby. Bobby Keyz, lock maker. Alright. Let me get set up here. Here we go. Alright, screwdriver. Oh, it's flathead. I got one of those. Or maybe I don't. Uh-oh. Let me look at my other kit here. For the flathead. Bear with me, guys. I'm working on it. Now we got a flathead. Take this guy apart, see what Bobby Keyz put inside for us. Wonderful lock to pick. All the multiple false sets. It's pretty good. Pretty good lock. Fun. Very fun. Man, flatheads. I'm glad you went out of style. Alright. Definitely going to use a shim. Definitely going to try to use a shim. Boy. See if this one's thinner. Need some of them thin guys. They wouldn't go in either. Well, it's definitely too tight for a shim. I'm gonna try to risk it, I suppose. Oh, we did it. We did it. Look at that. The core is all honed down. Nice. You got countermilling in 1, threading in 2, threading in 3, and countermilling in 4. Nothing in 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Some super nice pins, Bobby. Right on. That's the core. Get my tweezers and check out the Bible. Oh, lost that guy. He went like that. Nice. And a spring. There is a cool pin and pin. Looks like it's got a wafer. It's got a wafer stuck in there. And I can't get him out. But there is a wafer that goes there. Oh, there he goes. Wafer on top. Protect that spring. That copper spring. Oh, didn't get nothing out with tweezers. Or I mean my pick. Holy smokes, look at that guy. Nice. Oops. Come on, spring. That was 3. Here goes 4. Oh, looks like a double spring. And the grand finale, number 5. Holy T-pin, wedding cake, all kinds of goodness there. Man, what a pin. What a crazy T-pin. That's where I kept getting false set after false set. Oops. There we go. Alright, there's the lock. Tweezers. One more adjustment here so we can see these pins. Alright. A little pointer here. Number 1 was multiple serrated. 2 was a double spool with serrations. 3 was finely serrated. 4 is a spool. 5 is standard. The driver's number 1 is a wedding cake with a super serrated cap on it there. 4 is a cool T-pin. See that? That runs straight through. It's a spool pin and pin T-pin with a little drunkenness to it. Huh? Number 3 is a barrel with some serrations. 4 is kind of like a reverse mushroom, or it could be, looks kind of barrely. Number 5 was a wedding cake T-pin. This is the coolest little wedding cake I've ever seen. And up top for the springs, we got steel, copper, steel. Looks like a super tarnish. Oh no, that's steel. And a copper. So yeah, thank you, Bobby, for making this awesome lock and sending it out. I forgot who to send it to me. Where did I get it? I think it was sent. Oh, it was sent by Bobby Keyz himself. Awesome. Thank you, Bobby, for sending me this lock. Everybody's going to enjoy this one. And as always, be well and behave. Thanks, everybody.